Special greetings, my dear students. Uh, Already in previous classes, we've seen script mode, interactive mode. Actually, my dear students, this Python, we cannot able to go fast, okay? Because if you are going fast, you cannot able to understand the concept without doing a program, okay? So that's why slowly we are going because of next chapter also Python only. If you understand this basic only, you can able to understand upcoming topics. 7 and 8 both chapters are Python, okay? So it is necessary for you to understand the basic, okay, to understand the basic. And eighth chapter is a application, sorry, 7 and 8 is a Python, ninth is a application development, okay? So this is a very important chapter, so that's why we are going slow. Today we are going to see what is a variable, okay? What is a variable? Now first I'm going to open Python, okay? So already we have seen interactive mode, okay? Interactive mode is nothing but directly we can give the program, okay, values what actual we need, okay? Computer will generate a output next line itself. This is interactive mode. And script mode means a new file. Now how much program we are writing we can give, okay? Means example, this is a, okay, this is a script, okay? Whatever we are writing, okay, computer will not generate in next line, okay? So as much we need we can write, after when we are running that time only computer will generate, okay? So I'm going to save in a desktop RR. See what things we are writing, okay? It is computer welcome to computer. Better I will make it magnifier. So welcome to computer class. Now run mode. So save it. So now this is the second output, welcome to computer class, okay? These are the things in last chapter we seen, okay? In last chapter we seen. Now in this class, okay, in this class we are going to learn a simple variable. What is a variable? Okay, what is a variable? Now example, okay, now a equal to 10, okay, a equal to 10. Okay, my dear students, now here is a. So in this place, okay, in this place, my dear students, now what you are understanding in this place? Here is a value a equal to 10, okay, a equal to 10. In this place, what you are understanding? So a value is a 10, correct? You are understanding like this. The thing is what? In this place, a, okay, a is a variable name, okay, a is a variable name, a is a variable, okay? And what is a 10? 10 is a variable value, okay, variable value. And this is a variable name. Actually, my dear, now you come to know about this, okay? 10 is a variable value, a is a variable name. Actually, variable name, it can be a one letter, okay, or a one word, okay? It can be a one word without space, Okay, it should be only one word. You cannot able to keep a variable name with a one word. Actually, what is a variable? Variable is like a container, okay, or a bucket, we may say. Okay, variable is a container. Okay, variable is a container. It is used to store a value. In this place, a is there. It is a variable name, and what it is storing? It is a storing value of a 10. It is storing value of a 10. In case, okay, else, uh, mm, apple equal to 111. Now in this place, okay, apple is a, this is a variable name. Apple, this is a variable name, and then it is storing what? 111. It is a value. So this is a, apple is a variable name, and triple 11 is a value. So variable is a container used to store a value. Okay, so this value, where it is storing? In a apple. Apple is a variable name. We can give any name. Okay, but there are few rules. A variable name should not start with a number. Okay, variable name should not start with a number, and it should not leave any space. Okay, now sir, in variable we can able to store only a number? No. In last year you studied in Q basic what is variable. Same concept. In variable you can able to store b. Okay, now b equal to welcome. Now b is in this place. B is a variable name. Already I mentioned you very clearly. A variable name, it can be a one letter or it can be a one word, but it can't be a two letter. Sorry, it can't be a two word with a space. Okay, so here b is a variable and welcome is a variable value. In this place, triple one is a number and this is a letter. Letter means what? String. Okay, alphabet we may tell as a string. So string where we are declaring in between a double quotes. Okay, in between double quotes we are declaring the value. Now kindly we can see a one program. Okay, if, okay, before after this, okay, in case c equal to 11.1, what is meant by this? If you are seeing a point value, then it is called float. If we are seeing a point value, it is called float value. This is a integer value, means a numeric value. Float value, okay, this is a float value, and this is a string value, alphabet. Okay, so these are the simple things you should know. Now let's see, in our program, print, sorry, no need print, a equal to 10, okay, b equal to 20. Now print a plus b, okay, into, not into, okay, a plus b or a into b, okay, as our wish. Okay, kindly see the program. I am making zoom. I written this is a program. Okay, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, print a into b. Now run mode. It is asking source must be saved. I am pressing OK. Now answer came. Now see the output answer. Here you can able to see very clearly. A equal to 10, B equal to 20. And what is coming? Welcome to computer. First line. Second line, computer accepted the value. In case if I am giving A and I am pressing run. Now what it is coming? Source must be saved. Before running, it should be saved. I am pressing OK. Now see 10. Okay. So what is here? Now it is very clearly you are coming to know a value is at 10. Okay. Okay sir, we understood. Now if I want to declare a string value, if I want to declare a letters value, how I can? Of course, C equal to double quotes uh, this is Python. Okay, simple, anything you may write. It can be a one letter or one word or one sentence, anything it can be, but a variable name should be, okay, one letter. In case if I give uh, bat, okay, B18, now this also correct, okay, but I should not give variable name with space. If I give space, computer will show error. Can we see the error? Now see, run mode. Already I told very clearly, a variable name should not have a space. But here what I mentioned, space. I am saving. Here see, source code must be invalid syntax. Why it is showing invalid syntax? Because I given here space. In case, if I remove the space, see if I remove the space, now run the program. You source must be saved. Save. See, b value means no any error. See, this is a Python program. Here I mentioned, okay, but we are not getting output. If you want output, we have to mention print open bracket C close control S save, okay, F5 run. This is Python. Getting now? So this is a simple trick, means a simple method to store value. And one more statement I would like to say today. Input. Input statement is used to get input from the user. Okay, input statement is used to get a input from the user. Now I will show one sample program to you how to use a input. Okay, now a equal to not a uh, d equal to, okay, uh, input, enter your name. Okay, means now what is here, what you should know. So d is a variable name. D is a variable name. Input means it is computer is going to get input from the user. Computer is going to get input from the user, and already I told in between double quotes whatever things we are going to write, okay, whatever things we are going to write, computer will show directly to the output. Okay, computer will not create any problem in that. Okay, so now whatever you are going to type here, it will store in where, dim. Okay, instead of name, if I mention enter your first value, better I will erase this all. Okay. And now a equal to input, enter your second value. Means it is a very simple program. Okay, we can able to understand while seeing only. Print uh, a plus b over a plus b. Now what you're understanding in this, okay, sorry, here d as our wish. Okay, whatever a plus d or d plus a value is going to same only. D input, okay, means it is going to get input, okay, from us. What the value we are going to type first, it will store in a d, and what the value we are going to type second, it will store in a. Now see, run. Source code must be saved. my dear students, here it is adding the uh, means it is not adding, it is joining the uh, numeric values. Okay, so like this, kindly do the remaining programs by using input statement. Okay, so this is a variable how to declare. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.